We'll guide you through what to do when your phone won't turn on or charge and how you can try fixing it. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really frustrating because you then can't go and use your phone. Perhaps you need to go and access some files on it, make a call, or do something else. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to try resolving it. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss the solution which solves the problem for you. So without any other further ado, let's go and dive into it. So first of all, what you want to try doing is coming onto the side of your device and you want to go and find the side button, okay? Now what you want to try doing is tapping and holding that down. Now keep it held down and you want to do this for around 15 seconds. Within this time, hopefully you'll go and see the device goes and boots. You should go and see the boot screen. Now, if you find that nothing goes and happens, don't worry. We're going to try another step. What you want to do is go and grab your device's cable and you want to go and plug it in and make sure it's connected to a power source like that. Now, the next thing we're going to try doing is a button combination. So you want to come onto the side here and you want to go and locate the volume rockers and the side button. And then what you're going to try doing is tapping and holding them together. So let's go and do that now. Tap and hold them together like so. Now what you want to do is go and keep these held down. Once again, this process will take around 15 seconds, maybe 20. So keep them held down, as you can see. And you're only going to go and release when you go and see the boot screen. So as you can see, that's now come back on. And we're seeing the boot. And now what you can do is just go and wait. You can go and unplug it because you probably have charged it beforehand. And now just go and wait. And it should go and turn on as normal. Now, if you find that it still doesn't, the next thing you can try doing is very similar to that last step. Instead of holding the volume down button and the side button, you want to try holding the volume increase and the side button together like so. So keep them held down and hopefully it'll then go and boot. It can be slightly different, but it should then go and start hopefully. And it shouldn't be much longer. And then the phone should be working as normal. Let's keep waiting. Here it is. The phone is now back on. You can swipe up and try unlocking it. And it now should go and be working. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you get in the future with another how-to. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.